Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not opening on AliExpress app. To know how to fix or how to find the solution about not opening on AliExpress, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter the window of AliExpress. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.